Psalm 40 from the Common English Bible. For the music leader of David, a psalm. I put all my hope in the Lord. He leaned down to me. He listened to my cry for help. 2. He lifted me out of the pit of death, out of the mud and filth, and set my feet on solid rock. He steadied my legs. 3. He put a new song in my mouth, a song of praise to our God. Many people will learn of this and be amazed. They will trust the Lord. 4. Those who put their trust in the Lord, who pay no attention to the proud or to those who follow lies, are truly happy. 5. You, Lord my God, you've done so many things. Your wonderful deeds and your plans for us. No one can compare with you. If I were to proclaim and talk about all of them, they would be too numerous to count. 6. You don't relish sacrifices or offerings. You don't require entirely burnt offerings or compensation offerings, but you have given me ears. 7. So I say, here I come. I'm inscribed in the written scroll. 8. I want to do your will, my God. Your instruction is deep within me. 9. I've told the good news of your righteousness in the great assembly. I didn't hold anything back, as you well know, Lord. 10. I didn't keep your righteousness only to myself. I declared your faithfulness and your salvation. I didn't hide your loyal love and trustworthiness from the great assembly. 11. So now you, Lord, don't hold back any of your compassion from me. Let your loyal love and faithfulness always protect me. 12. Because countless evils surround me. My wrongdoings have caught up with me. I can't see a thing. There's more of them than hairs on my head. My courage leaves me. 13. Favor me, Lord, and deliver me. Lord, come quickly and help me. 14. Let those who seek my life, who want me dead, be disgraced and put to shame. Let those who want to do me harm be thoroughly frustrated and humiliated. 15. Let those who say to me, yes, oh yes, be destroyed by their shame. But let all who seek you celebrate and rejoice in you. Let those who love your salvation always say, the Lord is great. 17. But me, I'm weak and needy. Let my Lord think of me. You are my help and my rescuer. My God, don't wait any longer.